Empreza Noga Holding husi Austarlia hakar Investe ia Timor Leste liu ia área mineral niang. Terça-feira, lorong sanolo resin 12 agosto tinang ia Palácio Presidencial bairro Pitedili. Presidente República José Ramos Horta halau encontro o diretor Empreza Noga Holding Australia Angus Carroll. Diretor Empreza Noga Holding Australia Angus Carroll hateteng sira halo investimento ia Timor Leste. Desde tina rio rua sanolo recém ba operação aeroporto Suai no ohin lorong mai fali hodi continua suporta ba desenvolvimento rai Timor Leste. Além de empresa Austrália nemos esse serviço hamuto com o governo liu autoridade petróleo inclui lori mo sirani office ia Timor Leste ni BC for serviço ba Timor wan sira ni espera o suporta husi governo Timor Leste processo hotu bele la o hodiak no ho sucesso além de Timor Leste mos ia recurso ne befurak
2016 and we have operated the Suai airport successfully and we look forward to coming back to Timor Leste to operate at the airport and also the coming marine supply base which is being developed. We have also operated the world's largest FPSO in the Northern Endeavour and for the greater benefit of the region. And we look forward to trying to make it of our industry. We thank very much today the President for his time. Thank you.
This was for the project of the Seoul in airport as well.
What would you like to understand about Suai? So we operated the Suai airport in 2016, 2017, and we had helicopters and planes at Suai, and we wish to bring those services back to Suai in partnership with Timor Gap and get reoperation at Suai.
Reportagem Sabina Sansa, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia clio. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no Fahia Tutang ba media sosial hotu.